Has your Valraven plushie ridden the Capital Limited? Welcome back to Routine Leisure, and this time is a very different video. I think it's about a year ago now, I won this box from Josh, part of S Fan Line. He's been running that for the last little while with John Willem up in New England. Not really caring much about Six Flags or Six Flags doing itself anymore. But yeah, it's about a year ago. He's going to sell his boxes for subscriber milestones, but he just needed to get rid of all his junk. So he did go to trivia nights, and I know for a fact in this box there should be a piece of Rolling Thunder in here. Without further ado, let's see what else is inside.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So what do we have here first? The Rhode Island Comic Con exclusive. Is it like a Darth Vader vinylmation? I guess. Looks like it's a wind-up toy. Interesting. This was only one of 1,500. I find that quite special. An X-Files blanket. Haven't watched them and care to watch that, but there, voodoo doll. A 2014 Six Flags America Fright Fest guide. Josh must have built this. It's Wicked Cyclone Coaster Dynamics. At least I didn't have to suffer building that. Just gonna put that behind there on the desk. It looks like a little cap one. The double downs though. A Fright Fest banner. This actually hung up at the park. I don't know if I have any space for this, but I'm just gonna put that there and maybe open it up just for like a post on Instagram later. Ecto 1. That's cool. I'll keep that. Mechanic Park thumb, I guess. Might be trash. I don't know. McDonald's Happy Meal of the. I think it's supposed to be Space Mountain. Space Mountain car for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. A lightning rod license plate. Don't remember seeing that. Maybe I did. A Friendly's Frisbee because obviously Wicked Cycle was originally sponsored by Friendly's, and I remember going to a few in my area growing up, but they're mostly gone. I think there is one by another 2014 guide. There was one by Rowan and Glassboro. A Gremlins pin. I do like my pins, so should probably watch Gremlins at some time. Little like magnet words. They're Halloween themed. They're Josh and the horror and stuff like that, so I see why that happens. Media Day Pass for Wicked Cyclone. Kings Island 2014 guide with Banshee on the front. This is looks like something made by Funko. I think it's like from a video game or something. Might try and sell it off further. Quite a few more guides. Oh, I think that's the piece of wood right there, I believe. So it's two pieces of wood, it looks like. Yes, it says, certificate of authenticity, signed by Don Ross, Atlanta, Georgia, and structurally engineered by Bill Cobb. These are pieces 321. They just gonna go back into the Happy Meal box for now. It has the classic Rolling Thunder logo on there. There was a slight change fit in with the Spanish theme for El Toro when that opened. More guides. We have a Kennywood schedule for 2014. An Epcot map. This is the memories begin on it. Can't figure out a specific day on that. We have a Little American Wisconsin. Doubt it's changed that much, but photo of the toboggan. And I rode one in France last year, so be sure to check out that vlog. Container for the 4th anniversary of Kings Island. I mean, Kings Island does have the Ace logo on the back. I don't know. Might keep that, might not. Animal Kingdom map, I guess, from the same time. It was like 2013, 2012, probably. Like, I think this was 2015 when they added Raging Cajun. Might have been on in 2014 when they added that. So, Wintertime of Magic Kingdom. So this could be a 2011 map, because there's no Storybook Circus or New Fantasyland. It still hasn't come yet. Oh, we have a second Magic Kingdom map as well. Looks like a Candy Lake poster. Guessing this is another Gremlins pin right there. There's some text on it. No bright lights. No clock from PTC from June 2018. That's cool. This is definitely a keeper. Bottle from Storyland up in New Hampshire. Probably gonna need to wash that. Nose from big from Ringling Brothers. Again, might be trash. Again, more pins. We have. He has again probably like a literal skeleton key. Angel and Demon Bart. Still want to keep those. It's like, if I find someone worth trading them, then for something that I really want, then yeah. Go another Ghostbusters, because I really think a sticker. Could be a pin for like one of the air races. Maybe it was Maury's. Can't tell. There's like brown stuff on. I don't know if that was intentional or not. A Dippin' Dots. And a Full Throttle bracelet. That's really cool. Might be a little small for me. A Green Lantern cape. general Six Flags pin. It says New England on it. That's cool. Wicked Cyclone pin. Definitely worth keeping. Six Flags Jobs Cup. Kind of like a giant shot glass. Feels pretty cheap. You have a nice little Cyclone gift. That was like quite a swag bag. His Dr. Giggle shirts. I really like that logo on the back though. It feels like a bit of a play on the medical symbol with the snakes, but it's also like a Slender Man or something. That'll need to get washed as well. A classic Grove Show shirt, short sleeve, the darker green. That's from quite a long time, like when I first started watching, like 2016. Shirt for The Exorcist. Might give that away or donate it. Horror is not really my thing. Looks like there's one more guide for Universal Orlando. Looks like it was from when Minion Mayhem was new. So it looked like it was probably like just after Jaws closed, because there's nothing in that area. So probably would put it in like 2012. I think it closed in 2012 actually. Cool little Dorney Park USB bracelet. Still has the old sort of like medieval Cedar Fair logo in there. I think that fell down like as we got deeper into the teens, I believe. You have the Superstar Parade, 5 p.m., and there's the Cinematic Spectacular. And there's like an egg dye thing that's has like a zombie head. This is toast and bread. Use the color to assemble your toast arsenal. Attack at arm's length. Dispatch a headshot with a shovel. The zombie should result in the demise of the zombie. You will know you have been successful by the yellow brain juice successfully oozing from the skull. If this is not, they'll immediately issue a secondary blow. Consume. Utilize your remaining weapons to attack the inside of the skull, ensuring all zombie brain is eaten. This will rid your breakfast table of danger and hunger. That's nice. I'm not sure. I'll keep it and see how things go. Pretty much, but yeah, just I have nowhere to hang the Fright Fest one unless I take down the Thrills United posters over there. But apparently, according to Mark in Switzerland, they're wrapping things up. So it might be nice to put that up there. I don't know. It's like the little area is vacant, and I could always move those over there now. Chilling sister, she ended up in one of my final presentations at school, and that's one of the farthest distance a prop has ever come is from overseas for her.
And I have ridden a train.
That's what I said, Valerie. You did ride a train. Till you've ridden both the Capital Limit and the Pennsylvanian. And the latter in business class. Which apparently isn't really worth it.
Dulces.
Fine, I will feed you, but I still need to wrap up the video, okay? So, thank you, Josh. Thanks for all this. This is never leaving me. Bet on.